why did I create this website? When I was teaching, still I'm teaching, I found that students are confined only to the assignments. So, for example, if any student want to practice more beyond the assignments, he or she could not do it, and because there were very less resources which were available online, I tried to find flashcards, dictations, decimal multiplications, everything for Abacus, which is there on internet, but I could not find the correct website where student could practice all of them in one single place. So I found one or two websites which had only flashcards or dictations, but you will not have many options like decimals or multiplications or anything. You will only have one or two options which are not much useful. So I wanted to create one website where students can practice all of them in one single place. Yeah, one more important thing why I created this website is students who want to practice more uh, can use this website, or else if you don't have books or any practice materials, still you can use this website to improve your speed, and just for practicing Abacus, you can use this website. I wanted to create a website where you can have different kinds of practice materials all at one single place, and I have done that just for you. So I hope you will open the website and you'll practice the website daily,